is the last or the letter after that wow with the alif. If it's the ta marbuta, then really that wow is actually an alif, and it's just being used as a long vowel to extend the fatha on the previous letter. Okay, now this is where the color-coded Qur'ans come in very useful. So this is one that I've taken from a Uthmani color-coded Qur'an. The same two examples, but the top one, if you have a look, in this color-coded Qur'an, any sound that is not pronounced at all is in grey. Okay, so we've got the same thing again. We've got the, although they've shown the Hamzatul Wasl in here, which isn't pronounced anyway. So we've got wal hayata, and notice the wow, which is actually in this case an alif written as a wow, is greyed out. But you've got the slight brown color on the dagger alif to indicate it's too long. So in that case, they've shown you that the wow is actually an alif and it's not pronounced as a wow. And down below, they've got samawatin, and in that case, they've left the wow in black, indicating it must be read as a wow. So this is really your safe option. If you're not familiar or used to reading this and you think you might make a mistake, make sure you initially learn from a color-coded Quran. It's very important so you don't memorize and pronounce completely wrong. Okay, so in conclusion, you now know what Alif Maqsura is, and we did cover this in one of the earliest lessons in stage 1 of reading. And you understand that the Alif, when it is written as a wow, so we know when it's written, the Alif is actually written as a wow, and the giveaway again was the ta marbuta. You may need to use a color-coded Quran to make sure you do not confuse the two. Again, recommendation, do use a color-coded Quran. It's better to depend on it while you're learning to make sure you get it right rather than learn it wrong. Alternatively, listen to the surah recited by a professional reciter, and that's always a good idea. Never try to memorize any Quran without listening to a professional reciter.